All right, so here's a look at this new office chair that I got. Now, one of the main things that I really like about this is that it's completely made out of mesh. So if you're somebody like me who is hot all the time, regardless of if the air's on or not. I'm always hot, so I'm always getting that swamp butt. So having one like this is really nice. It's completely mesh all the way around, and it's nice and strong too. So this is actually gonna make it to where it's really comfortable to sit on. Plus you're gonna have these pieces over here on the back, which are gonna go right up against your lower back. And yeah, this is an amazing chair. It's got so many different features to it. So let's go ahead and go through some of them. The first thing I wanna show you is up here at the top is gonna be this neck and headrest. Now this is very adjustable. You're gonna have your up and down this way, and then you're also gonna have your tilt this way. So regardless of how tall you are or where you want your head position specifically to be, you really can adjust this and get it right to where you want it to be. Normally I'll have it kind of low like this, but a lot of times I'm not even leaning that far back because of these lumbar supports down here at the bottom. I really like this design that they added in because I want to sit up straight when I'm at my computer. You can see right here, this is typically how I sit, and you can see my head is not leaned back on here. You could bring it a little bit forward like this, but I feel like this is more for kind of like a chill mode. Most of the time when I'm working, I try not to be curled over too much, but I want to be positioned just like this. So my back is mostly just touching here, and my upper back's not really touching the chair too much. It really depends on how you like sitting though. Okay, now one of the other things I want to mention here is this is actually mobile. So you're gonna see that this moves and wiggles around quite a bit. And if you spin this, you're gonna see that this actually pushes forward and backwards. So you could really push this up front like this. So now if you see me take a seat like that, I'm really not even close to the back of the chair. But if I pull this and we rotate it back, you can see it's way more pushed all the way to the back of the chair. So again, really adjustable, and really just depends on how specifically you like to sit. And that's probably my favorite thing about this chair, is that it will really fit for pretty much anybody. Now, not only can you push this forward and backwards, this is also gonna move up and down as well. So you can see now it's at its lowest position. And if I twist this, you're gonna be able to get this to go up higher too. Again, depending on, everybody's body is different, so why would a chair be in one position? It never makes sense. So having a chair that's super adjustable like this just really makes sense. Now over here on the side, you've got your armrest, and this is another really cool feature about this, because not only does this move back and forth like this, but it can actually spin all the way out here, and this moves as well. So you'll see that this rotates out. So if you need a little bit more space outwards, you can put it like that. If you want it in closer, you could twist it in and it can get really, really close. Plus these can spin out too. I like having these shorter pieces out here, kind of like this. This way when I'm typing, I don't necessarily need to have my hands down here. I can have them on the pads like this. A really comfortable way to, rest your arms down instead of your wrists being on here. And what I'm trying to optimize for here is comfortability for a long period of time. I'm usually at my desk 8 to 10 hours a day working. I'm sitting here editing videos, just doing all types of stuff on the computer. So I want something that's really gonna be comfortable for all day and all types of seating positions. Now, I'm also kind of a weird sitter as well. So sometimes I like sitting up like this, and that's when you kind of want these things to be out of the way. So you could easily just twist them out of the way like that, and then boom, now you can sit in this different position. So giving you a bunch of different options here. It kind of just depends on how it is you want it to be. You can also move these up and down as well. So, if you're gonna be sitting up a little bit higher, or maybe if you're taller, you can have this up high or down here like this. I like it at the lowest position. I feel like this is perfectly squared out with my shoulders. Now you can also adjust this up and down like a traditional chair. That's gonna have a spring on the inside, and this will go up and down nice and smooth. But the thing that makes this unique is this one right here. This is gonna allow you to slide forward and backwards. So if I'm on here, look how far forward this can go. And this is nice because this gives you a lot more area for your legs to sit and relax on. Or if you've got shorter legs, you can go ahead and just push it back like this. And now you can see that my leg is kind of hanging off the edge of it. But I really like having this forward because this just gives me the most coverage for my legs. And also if you have larger legs, this is a really good feature for this as well, because you just got more surface area that you're touching and you don't have to worry about any type of knee pain with your knee hanging over the edge. I got a lot of knee pain from running, and when you're in a chair that is very narrow, it's pushed back like this, you can see that your leg kind of sticks out like that and it dangles all day. So it does tend to give me a little bit of knee pain if I'm sitting in a short chair. So I wanted to make sure something was going to be long enough for my legs to actually fit. Now over here on the back, you're gonna see that it's got a beautiful design. It has this panel on the back. This is where you're gonna screw all these screws in to kind of hold everything in place, but there is a cover for it. So this just goes right over the top like that. And it's just a very aesthetic, cool looking chair. If you're someone that's into your desk setup like I am, you can see that this fits with my desk setup. It's kind of like a black and white. I've got this, which is a bit more of a matte black. And then this piece over here on the back is like a reflective black. Down here at the bottom, you've got your stainless steel, silver pieces for the legs, and then you've got your traditional caster wheels down here at the bottom. So overall, just an aesthetic looking chair. It's got so much different customization. You can really set this the way that you want to sit, regardless of your body size, your height, your leg length, literally anything. You're really able to customize this. And this is almost like a super high-end chair, but it's not going to break the bank. As you can see on the listing, the pricing and everything for it, I mean, this thing is such a good value for what you're getting compared to a lot of other ones. I've tried those expensive ones out, and to be honest, they're not as good as they seem to be. I've tried out the big famous brand that everybody knows, and I really like this chair better just because it's got way more customization, and it's literally got the same type of material for the seating. So you've got that comfortability, you've got that breathability here in the seat and the backrest, but you're not paying an arm and a leg for an office chair. Now, one last thing I want to mention here is that this is going to have a 350-pound weight capacity, so this should work for a majority of people, but just to, that caution, this is 350 max weight. So if you're looking for an ergonomic chair, something that's breathable, something that's very customizable, and something that honestly is just going to look good with your desk setup, then I would definitely recommend picking one of these up.